Good morning, friend. I hope you are revising mathematics in good way. As it is possible also, you may take help to your parents or your elder brothers if they know very well mathematics. And you watch video and some study materials also, but you revise in rough copy. Today I am revising exercise 2b as write the number names. How can you write the number names? Already I have told, but today I am revising page number 13. How to write number names. So it is given in the book. See, first example, it is given 3982. How can you write? 3 is the thousand place, so it is 3000. You can write 3000. 3000. 1 tens 100 as place value 900. 3000 900. 1 tens 8 is the tens place. 8 tens means 8 tens are 80. 8 tens are 80. So 80 and 2 ones 2 82. 3982. So dear friend, the number name of this one 3982. See another. Ones, tens, 100,000. 1000 place is 4. You can write 4000. 4000. 1 tens 100. 0 place is 100. So you can't write as 100 place is 0. So 4000. 1 tens. Tens place is 7. So 7 tens are 70. So 4070. 4070. 4070. Next example. See, this is 1, 10, 100,000, 2000. 2000. 1 tens 100. This 0 is 100 place. 100 place is 0. So no place value. This 1 tens. Tens place is also 0. No value. And 8. 8 ones given. So 2000 directly 8 you can write. 2008. If take care and take attention, as if 0 comes as the place value, so you can't write as the place value with 0 there. You only write as with the part number is given excess of 0 as in the number. Like this, you can see this. 1 tens 100,000, only 4000. There is no place 1 tens and 100. Only place value is 4 for 4000. So you can write only 4000. You can write only 4000. So dear student, today you revise exercise 2b in your rough copy and write in figure also it is given 3854, 6942. So 6000. Write in figures also you can write. Write in figures. How can you write in figures? Write in figures. Not number name, write in figures. Means number name to figures. Write in words to change in figure. Figure means in the digit format you can write. How? means as number, direct you can represent number from the words to number. So it is called figures. Like that, it is given example 6942 is written 6,942. See this 6,942. So you take in your mind the place value chart. 6,000 means 6 into 1,000 means 6,000. So as 1,000 place given only, so you can write this here ones, tens, 100, 1,000. In this way, it is very easy to write. So 1,000 place given 6,000, so you can write 6 at 1,000 place. 900, 100 place given 9, you can write 9 here in 100 place below the 100. And tens and 42, 942. 42 means 40 plus 2. It means 4 tens. 4 tens means negative tens place 4. And 42, 2 ones place, you can write 2 here, ones place. So 6,942. 6,942. 6,942. In this way, you can write. So this system take in your mind. This will help to write numbers as given words to figure. You can write word to figure. In this way, you can revise page number 13 and page number 14. Page number 13 and 14, you can revise at least 5 questions, 6 questions for you have ability to revise. You can revise at least 15 to 20 minutes. You revise daily mathematics. Okay, for today's class. Thank you, students.